Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful traditional Indian look. And yeah, before doing anything, just subscribe. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me and I am in the shade 238 Rich Tan and I'm applying it all over my face. And let me tell you, मैंने पहले बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा लिया था. I'm blending it super nicely, and that is what you need to do. Just blend it for some good time. Now from the concealer, I'm applying it in this way और मैं ऐसे इसलिए लगा रही हूँ and this is so much in trend क्योंकि it gives you the right amount of coverage. बहुत ज़्यादा coverage नहीं होती, बहुत कम coverage नहीं होती, exactly what you need. After I apply my concealer using a brush, I also go once with my beauty blender to give a more finished look. It's important to set everything in its place, and for that I'm using this Maybelline compact powder. Always remember, eyebrows make a huge difference in your makeup look. So do your brows as nicely as you can. So for the eyeshadow palette, I'm using this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, which is the dupe of Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition. And I'm applying the light brown shade all over my lid. Now I'm applying the maroonish red shade. Or remember, when you're dealing with pigmented shades, take it slow. मतलब पहले टैप कर लो सारा कलर एंड इनफैक्ट हाथ पे स्वॉच कर लो पहले एंड देन मूव ऑन टू योर आईज बिकॉज you don't want to overdo it. Now taking the darkest red in my palette, I'm only applying it on the outer corners of my eye because मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा dimension चाहिए because it gives you a different look. As you can see, मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगा लिया था उस वाली eye पे, but believe me, I'm gonna blend it super nice. Then I'm taking that golden shimmer shade and I'm applying it only like on the half inner corners of my eyelid, if that makes sense. I know it does not. So now I'm taking my Lakme Insta liner and I'm applying a winged liner. Like, I'm not going too dramatic, but I'm not even going too easy. For the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in the waterproof range. I'm applying the first shade that I used on my lower lash line as well. I'm really sorry because I think the footage got deleted of me doing my blush and a little bit of bronzer, but I applied it. And now I'm just applying my highlighter. Now using a setting spray to set it all up. And for the lipstick, I'm using two lipsticks today. One is from L18 and one is from Ever Beauty. So yeah, this is it for the video. I kept it really short and I did not explain things much because there are more tutorials where I explained so much about them. So if you haven't watched them, please go watch them.